In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to mark importance in Outlook. This feature is really handy when you want to ensure that your emails get the attention they deserve. Now let's start by opening Microsoft Outlook. You can do this through your desktop app or directly through the web browser by visiting Outlook's official site. This initial step is crucial as it's the doorway to accessing your email account and all its functionalities. Once you're on the Outlook page, take a look at the top right corner of the screen. You should see the sign in option. Clicking on that will prompt a sign in page where you need to enter your email address and password. This is a straightforward login process, similar to other email services, but if it's your first time, remember to use your Microsoft account credentials. After you've successfully logged in, your Outlook dashboard will be visible. To begin the process of marking emails with specific importance, you need to create a new email. Look for the New Mail button on the top left corner of the screen. This button is typically easy to spot, and clicking on it will open a new email window. Drafting an email, as you know, can take just a few seconds to several minutes depending on the content. Now here comes the essential part: setting the priority level of your email. Within the new email window, locate the toolbar at the top. You will see various options here, including one with an exclamation point icon. Clicking this icon allows you to set your email to high priority. This feature highlights your email for the recipient, indicating them to look at it promptly amidst the flood of emails they might be receiving. Using the exclamation point icon to mark an email as high priority isn't just about placing emphasis, it's a simple yet effective tool to communicate urgency. It helps the receivers manage their time better by drawing their attention to the critical emails. It's worth noting that if your message is of a less urgent nature, you might consider leaving this setting off to maintain its effectiveness when genuinely needed. In summary, marking emails with importance in Outlook is not only a matter of making something stand out, but it's also about effective communication and time management. So, next time you've got an urgent email to send, remember to click that exclamation point. This practice ensures better visibility and quicker responses to your emails, which is crucial in managing both professional and personal communication efficiently. I hope this tutorial makes your Outlook experience a bit easier and more organized. Thank you for watching, and I hope to see you in the next video.